Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Math Motion channel. And today we're back with another video, so I'm gonna do a quick update. I do a quick catch up of what I've been doing. So I have exams coming up next week, Saturday. So I've been preparing for it, and sorry for not uploading any videos. Been quite busy. I know, I'm sorry about that, but happens. Have to focus on that. And one more thing. So I'm gonna be recording only on one screen, so you will be seeing my OBS and everything if I change my cameras. So sorry about that, because my second monitor broke down, so it doesn't work anymore, and I have to buy a new one. I still haven't got one. So I just want to say, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to keep up with my content. I know I haven't been uploading for a while now, and I want to say sorry about that. Let's get back into it and let's get into trading. So what do we see here? The news, we already passed that. It was 1:30, now it's a 2:58. So let's get into a trading view. That's what you want to look for now. So I already marked my Asian session, London session, New York session opens. So after that, I still haven't marked anything much, only my highs and lows of a New York session. So off of that, we can see over here, there was a break of structure happening over here. So like of 5 minutes, we can see the change of trend actually reacted off these liquidity sweeps of previous highs of Asian and London session. Off of that, the market started going down, so shifted the trend, and it's probably gonna go try filling the orders. So it filled already this order over here, but I think it's gonna keep going down until, well, probably somewhere there. So what we want to look into is, first I'm gonna be marking my break of structures happening. So a break of structure have yet to happen over here after this candle closes. So if it does happen, it's going to be filling this inverse fair value gap over here. And actually over here, we can see another break of structure happening there. We can see a a order block of 5 minutes over there. We can see a break of structure happening over there. So because of that, we're gonna be market, well, pretty much we can see it filled the orders over here, so it started going down. So break of structure happened over there. Off of that, I think I'm gonna enter the market here, I'm gonna be risking only 1%. So trade locker, let's go to trade locker. Okay, so trade locker is here. That's what we want to do. We're in here already. 5 minutes. Break of structure happened there. We'll go with 3. Then, okay, 2. Let's go with 2. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go with 1%. We're going to be risking only 1% today. And actually, I don't know. What's the market doing? Actually, you know what? Let's go by the program. So in 1 minute over here, we can see a liquidity sweep happening over here. So a break of structure actually happened over there, and we want to mark that. So from what we can see, there was no retracement to over here. So we're going to be placing our trade over here, just above that. A breaker block was actually this candle over here. So we're going to be marking that as well. And with that, I want to see a few things. So in 5 minutes, we can see it filled that break structure over there. Broke structure over here. It actually went in there and filled the orders. So might be not coming back. So I think we enter the trade. We enter the trade there. We set the stop loss of 2%. Set the stop loss of 2%. We're gonna be sell. Market looks is shifting the trend. Let's not be in a rush. No. We can see actually fill the orders over here. This one. Bro, what we can see in the past, it was always rising. So it could be just filling the orders over here and going back up. But it never filled the orders over there. Because they break structure over here. Reacted off of those. Fill that, fill that. Okay. That's 1 hour. So liquidity seeps over here. Way down. Breaker structure happening over here. There's a order block. Well, order block over here. Breaker block over. Well, order block over here. Breaker block. It filled those. It filled the order. Okay. So don't mind me. Now I'm just trying to figure out the market. So these are the order block. Yeah, entered that. So off of that, I think we should wait. Because the market could be shifting a trend right now pretty soon. You're gonna see we don't want to go against the market trend as well. So we can see that in London session, when the London session opens, it still was going up. It hit all the highs of Asian session. So it reacted off that going down. It could be retracement. It could be a retracement to here, filling the orders and then going back up. But that's what we have to do. You have to wait for it. So I'm gonna wait for it. Before it happened, break structure, we can see that over here it actually tried to go up, or maybe just fill the orders here, but we see how that goes. I'd say if it does break structure over there and fill this inverse for value gap, we would have a high chance that the market would be going up. Well, the market would change trend. I know it could be looking confusing, but right now I'm just trying to ensure where the market is going. I can see all those, yes. I can see all the fillings here and everything, but over here we can see the market doesn't have a big reaction between these first, because the market was going down so low but went back up, then it starting forming up, went down, never broke structure that one. Well, even for it went down, it went up, broke structure up here, went down, went up, broke structure up here again. But it's not info broke structure, it's not showing us anything much. So I just wanna see how that goes. So yeah, now it's just a waiting game, patience, and we see how that goes. But yeah, I want to say sorry for not trading for a while now. Actually, didn't make any videos, didn't upload anything, didn't post anything of why I'm not uploading the videos. But we have to get back right on track. That can be happening. So like it could be retracing to that and just going down, but that's what I'm waiting for a chance to see that happening. You can see it has the power to push up. It didn't have power to go down, so okay. So a new candle formed. You know for sure it's ready in this fair value gap. Now we just have to wait for it. Whether it goes to here, the 1 minute order block and breaker block, reacts after that and goes down, or it keeps going up, you know. If it does, you will see that it will, well, it will close above this break structure over here. That's when where we're gonna be looking for an entry towards probably somewhere here of gee, doesn't matter. But yeah, somewhere there. Now we just have to wait 3.5 minutes until it close here, break that break structure, and then that's when we're entering. I want to look at cleanly ones. So what will the market do? Will it react off of that order block and breaker block and go down? Market doesn't have that much power to go up. Okay. So it's rising. Slowly, but it's rising. I think with that, we can see a broke structure. So you take that by position, make it that we're risking only 1%, confirm, and that's it. because why I think because we have a break. So in 5 minutes, I didn't mark the 1 minute, but in 5 minutes we have a order. Well, in 5 minutes we have a inverse value I've got filled, break of structure happening. In 1 minute we have this over here. So that's, what's that? What do you call it? I think. What do you call it? Order block. Breaker block. Breaker block, order block. Both of them. Done. You can see it went up, it entered that, filled the orders there, and just kept rising. So in my position, I think it's just gonna keep rising to there. And yeah. And that's the trade. That's the trade. That's pretty much the trade. I just want to say, what was that rise over there? Okay. So why I placed the trade over there is because I placed in the previous session highs. So it's more safer place to place your trade over there than anywhere, well, here or there somewhere, because the market could be reacting off of that and just going down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So with that, I just want to say thank you for watching. And wait, actually, let me take a look. Friday.
Yeah, boy.
I will be making a live stream for sure. So look towards it. So so on Friday at 1 p.m. I will be shooting my live stream. It's gonna be 2 hours long, for real now, and look towards it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so you guys wouldn't miss out my live stream. So I see you guys on my live stream on Friday this week. So the Friday is going to be a 28. So see you guys in 28. And yeah, we're not going to be making any trade tomorrow. It's bank holiday all day in US. So see you guys Friday. Peace out.